Today, I'm going to show you how to pin Google Chrome to your taskbar on a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's a super quick process, but it's one that can save you precious seconds every single day. By the end of this video, you'll have Chrome just one click away, right on your taskbar, making your workflow smoother and more efficient, whether you use Chrome for work, school, or just browsing the web. Let's dive right in. There are actually two easy ways to do this, and I'll walk you through both so you can pick whichever works best for you. First, let's start with the most direct method. You'll want to make sure Google Chrome is open, so go ahead and double-click the Chrome shortcut, or search for it in your Start menu if you don't see it on your desktop. Once Chrome is open, you'll notice its icon appears down on your taskbar. This is the row of icons usually running along the bottom of your screen. Now, here comes the important part. Right-click that Chrome icon on the taskbar. You'll get a little menu with a few options, and you'll see Pin to Taskbar in the list. Go ahead and click on that. Why is this step important? Well, if you skip pinning, the Chrome icon will vanish from the taskbar as soon as you close the browser. But by pinning, you're telling Windows, hey, I want Chrome to always be here for me. It's a bit like putting a sticky note on your fridge for something you use every day. Super handy and always right where you need it. Don't worry if it takes a moment to locate the icon, especially if you have a lot of apps running. Just take your time. Once you see that Chrome logo, you're almost done. After you choose Pin to Taskbar, you'll notice nothing dramatic changes. But if you close Chrome, the icon stays put. Now it's always just one click away, no matter what you're doing. If you prefer, or if you don't currently have Chrome open, there's another method that's just as simple. This time, start by clicking the Start menu, the little Windows logo at the bottom left of your screen. In the search box, type Google Chrome. You should see the Chrome app show up in the list of search results. Now, right-click on the Chrome app in the results. You'll get another menu and once again select Pin to Taskbar. Here's a little tip. This method works for any app, not just Chrome, so you can pin your favorite programs the same way. Think of it as organizing your most needed tools so they're just a tap away. Much like keeping your keys on a hook by the door. If you're worried about doing something wrong, don't stress. Windows won't let you accidentally delete Chrome or mess up other apps by using these menus, so you can explore without fear. And if you find that too many apps are crowding your taskbar, you can always right-click any icon and choose Unpin from Taskbar to tidy things up. And that's all there is to it. Now, every time you need Chrome, whether your computer just started up or you're deep into another project, you'll find it waiting for you right on the taskbar. It's a small change, but honestly, these little shortcuts can make a huge difference in your day-to-day routine. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Got a question or need help with anything we covered today? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I'm always happy to help out, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and useful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.